I took out all the roots with the excavator a few weeks ago before harvest, and now we actually have all these holes in the field. So I already worked it up with the power harrow, but we still have holes left. So what I want to do now is shove sand back in the holes, so we don't have the holes. That way we get a clean area to plant apple trees again. So let's get it done with a shove that I have mounted on the tractor. And I'm back with the International 633 with the power harrow. It shoved everything, as you can see, and it worked out nice enough. We clearly got rid of a lot of the holes. We didn't get rid of them completely, but that's all fine. Rain will still do something, and I don't want to mess up everything to get the holes closed. And it's always good in this field to have the trees standing a little bit lower, because the water then easier gets to the tree, and all the water goes to the tree, exactly how we want it on dry sand ground. So this will be fixed up when we start drilling holes for the new apple trees. For now we just power harrow it so that we get nice driving lanes, as this clearly is not a nice driving lane. Well, if we went over with the power harrow once, it really looks like a flat surface where we can seed grass on, and that will give a really nice driving lane. So that should be perfect. No matter how old the tractor is, it still does a really good job. So we're really happy with the 633. It's always a nice and simple tractor to work with. It's just not as nice in the loose ground like we are in now. As the front tires, they are actually just car tires, so they got no grip at all. So if the tractor slides off, then it slides off, and you have to back up and get straight in the row again. We don't have to do much groundwork, but it's really nice to have this one, as you have a lot of view around you with this old-fashioned cab, and that's really important when doing this kind of work. And it's also a nice and open tractor, and when the weather suits it, then it's really nice to open everything up, so you are sitting in an open cab with still a roof above your head. So we will leave this now laying for another few weeks, and then we can drive on it again, and I hope we get a really nice flat driving lane like that. Of course, the other grass lanes, I think we also will power harrow them up, but we first need to collect all the firewood, as we have thrown all the firewood on air, and we will do another round, as there is firewood in the ground here. It came up out of the ground and it just has to be collected, otherwise we get it in the mower every time we mow the field or if we do other groundwork. You cannot really see a lot, but there is some here and there, and it just needs to be collected, but not today.